Hello everyone, I'm Saki and this is my video for my enhancement number 4 for web backend class. Today I will show you the product management page, the new category page, and new product page. So let's see. We're going to access to my product folder and it will deliver to the product management page. Okay, so let's go to new category and we are going to create a new category. As you can see here in my link, this is the volume, this is the key to show this page. Okay, if I leave this input empty, it should appear an error. As you can see here, please provide information for all empty form fields. So let's look at root. And automatically we can see our new category here in the nav bar. So now we're going to add a new product. Here's my select drop-down list with the categories, include the new category wood. Okay, so now let's add the new product. So we're going to add the magic mirror, that this mirror reflects the row. And now we have the path and the price, which are the stock, size, the weight, location, hero plus. But what happens if I leave this input empty? Let's see. Oh, it's required, so we need to fulfill all the inputs. Plus, and now we're going to validate the files. So I have my HTML validator, no errors, no warnings here. So let's back to the category, the breaks management. No errors, no warnings, and the last one, new category, 0 errors, 0 warnings. And let's see the CSS here, the style validator. Everything is perfect. So okay, this is my enhancement 4. Hope you like it, and bye.